Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a remote desktop computer. This will give you a station in the cloud where you can access a new ABA account, not having to use your own IP address. So in order to get to this website, which you will be using to get a new IP address, the link will be down below. It's basically greencloudvps.com. So once you're here in their main welcome page, you're going to go all the way over here to the right upper corner and click Client Area. Here you can already see that I have an account. But what you're going to do, because you do not have an account, is go up here and click on Register. And here you're going to go ahead and register your account. So what you're going to do, just like registering for any account, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, which is your personal information. You will have to type in a billing address. If you have a company name, this is optional. Street address 2, city, and so on. Here you have additional required information. How did you find us? And then you can go ahead and select an answer, a friend, Google, other search engine, whatever you prefer. I'd like to think that we're friends, so you can go ahead and select friend. So once you have that, then you will have to type in the account security, which is your password that you would like to use, and then you would confirm your password here. So make sure caps lock is off, you have a couple numbers with a few uppercase letters, and make sure to write down your password. Then below you will have to type in the characters that you see in this box below. And then once you've filled everything out, you're going to click on this little box where it says, I have read and agree to the terms of service. Once you have everything filled out, you're going to go ahead and select register. So like I said, I already have an account, so for me, it's irrelevant to fill out all of this information, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And usually they require the same information as any other website does. So now that we've covered how to register to greencloudvps.com, now we're going to take the time to view some of their plans. So what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and in the search bar, type in greencloudvps.com. This will take you back to their welcome page. And now what we're going to do in order to view their plans is we're going to go right here in the middle of the screen where it says View Our Plans. And we're going to go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Windows VPS, and down below we have the Budget VPS. So what we're going to do is in the left corner down here, you can see View Plans in this green oval. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then scrolling down. So here the first one is the normal Budget VPS monthly option available. Then you have these options here. They tell you the plan name, the storage, CPU, memory, bandwidth, gig OS, technical support, and price. But what we want to do is scroll down to the Super Saving Budget VPS. We're going to look at plan name Budget 1. This gives you a storage of 25 gigabytes, 1 core for CPU, 2 gigabytes of memory, and you have technical support 24/7, 365. And the price for this package is $10 a month. This is exactly what you need. It's what I'm using currently. So once you find this plan under Super Saving Budget VPS, budget number 1, you can go all the way to the right side and click on this orange Order Now. So here you can configure your desired options and continue to check out. So the first drop-down we come across is choose billing cycle. So this is basically you choosing when you would like to pay for this plan. You can do $30 a month quarterly, which is $10 a month, $56 semi-annually, and $110 annually. I select the $30 quarterly. Now, when it comes to configure server, this section you do not have to worry about. This website does everything for you. Here below in this drop down, you can choose the country or the state that you would like your server to be. Here I have selected Phoenix, Arizona. But if you choose to select Paris, France, or any other place that you would like, the price will not change. So just keep that in mind if you want to change or choose your location. So after we've selected everything, we're going to go on the right side and we're going to select continue. So here you have your review and checkout. Tells you everything that you have. What you're going to do is just select here this green checkout. So here you will be asked to enter your personal details and billing information to check out. Once you have all of that, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Here at the bottom under payment details, you can go ahead and choose your preferred method of payment. I have selected PayPal. Then you go down to the bottom and select this box where it says I have read and agree to the terms of service. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on complete order. So this is what it would look like. It's unpaid now because we are doing this as an example. You have all of the information and this is your invoice. You have invoice to, pay to, invoice date, payment method, and then you have the invoice items. It gives you all of the information on what exactly you're paying for. You can choose to print or download this invoice. So after you have received this, the next thing you will receive is an email with the details and the login information. So once you create an account and you have made your first payment, you will receive an email from them once your account has been set up. And it will be confirming all of the details that you'll need in order to log into your account. So once you've made your payment, you're going to get an email with the host name, your main IP, your username, your root password. And this is all information that you need to keep, write down somewhere, because it will be needed when trying to log in and trying to use a new IP address. All right, so let's say you have received your email. Now here you have server details in your email. You should have the host name, the main IP, your username, and your root password. What you're going to do is you're going all the way down here in the left-hand corner to your start button of your computer. Here you're going to search for remote desktop connection. Once you have found it, click on it. Now here you can see that I've already done everything. So my computer and my main IP address are already there. As you can see, main IP, this right here, this number, is the number that you need to put in here. Now, once you do that, you're going to select connect. And then your computer will ask for your username, which is right here in the email. And underneath that username, you will type in the root password that you have received as well. You're going to follow the steps. And if you need more guidance, in your email is a how-to. How to connect your Windows VPS by using remote desktop connection. And that link is located right here. So after you have typed in all of your server details in your remote desktop connection, you're going to go ahead and click Connect. As you can see, it is connecting to the server. Now you can see it's a completely different setup that I have now. A whole new computer has shown up with the remote IP address. Now what you do is you go on the new Google Chrome and you go to eBay. And here you can go ahead and register for a whole new eBay account, because eBay only allows one account per IP address. So now that you have another one, you can go ahead and register a whole new account. Now, once you're done using this remote IP address, you just go on this X here, which is close, and it will say your remote session will be disconnected. We're going to go and select OK. And that's it.